Welcome back to another video of the Pandas tutorial series. In this section, we will look at various Python functions such as describe, sample, group by, nlargest, and Nsmallest. To obtain the statistical values such as count, percentile, mean, spread of the numerical data in a data frame, we can use the describe method. To see random values from the data frame, you can use the sample function and pass the number of rows which you want to sample. For example, I'm sampling 5 rows and it randomly gives me 5 rows from our data frame. To get the n largest values from a column in the data frame, we can use the n largest function. Say I want to get the largest 5 rows from the each column, I can do that by typing it as follows. N largest, the number of rows you want to display and the column name. So this will return all the entries and order it by largest value from the column age. Similarly, to get the smallest value, we can just replace the largest by smallest. As we can see, now we have the rows with the smallest value in the column age. Say we want to find the details of all the students who are learning to code from a list of entries. To do that, we can group the entries by the main branch and then get a group of students who are learning to code. To do that, we can write the code as follows. Group by. Now we are telling the program to group all the entries by the main branch and then get the group I'm a student who is learning to code from the list of entries. Get group and run the cell. As we can see, the program returns a list of all the entries that are students who are learning to code. In the next section, we will look at different slicing operations in Pandas and how to save the data in a CSV file format.